Hello friends, welcome to our channel Harmonic Numbers. In this video, we will be dealing with the month of September 2021. So in this video, we will see that how the month of September 2021 will go for those who were born in the month of October, November and December. So I am going to now perform a tarot card reading. First, let me pile it up into three groups, and from the first group, I am now taking the first card, and this card is for the month of October. The second card, this one is for the month of November, and the last card for the month of December. Now let's have a look at how the month September 2021 will go for those who were born in the month of October. This shows 5 of Wands. Let me show this card. Now, you can understand from this card that this shows conflict. People are fighting for their position. So if you are also fighting for your positions, my dear October born friend, mind one thing, your fighting is going to come to an end very soon because of its reversed situation. You will come out of this conflict very soon. So most probably, if in your career, if in your work field you are facing some kind of conflict, you will be coming out of it in the month of September, which is a very good sign to have. So stick to your position. Don't worry, your plight will become to an end very soon. Now, the month of November born friends. This shows 3 of Cups, that actually is a card of family get together, friends and party. But this also shows a third party into your relationship. So this was again reversed. So this has something to convey. This card actually shows that if you are planning for a family get together, if you are planning for partying with your friends, please wait at least in the month of September. Don't plunge into all the partyings and enjoyings and all the family get-togethers. Please wait. Maybe in the month of October or November you can do this, but don't do this in the month of September. Next is, if in your relationship you are seeing that some third party intervention is there, please be happy that very soon this third party intervention will be over, and you too, maybe it is your spouse, maybe it's your boyfriend, maybe it's your girlfriend, but whatever the case may be, if there is a situation that you are feeling that some third party intervention is there, this situation will be elevated very soon, and I hope that please don't indulge the other people, the third person, into your relationship. They should not poke into your relationship, and if there is any kind of problem, solve it within yourselves. Don't call upon a third party. And if a third party is intervening time and again, if they are bugging you guys, please be happy that this situation will be over very soon and this third party intervention will be over. Now, the December born friends, what are for you? This is strength card, very 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 strong card to have, and you can see that this is also a major arcana card, so you will have great impact in the month of September. So what kind of impact it will be? You can easily see that one angel who is having immense potential, this angel is actually trying to tame the inner animal. So if the angel can tame the inner animal, this person will get success. Okay, and we can also see that the angel and the lion both are standing on a rough ground. It's not a very smooth ground, it's actually a rough ground, so they are not very much steady footed, so the situation is not very smooth for them. So I think the December born people may be facing some kind of problem during the last couple of months or so, and in this month, that is in the month of September 2021, this card was also a reverse situated card. So again, I hope that the December born people will be able to tame the inner animal, and they will come out of the situation, of the rough situation that they are actually facing at this moment, and they will be able to look into their goals. See, the mountain is actually the goal, and the person is not looking at the goal but actually now concentrating on taming the animal. So when the taming of the inner animal is completed, she will look into the goal and she will now succeed. So dear December born friends, I expect that you will be able to tame your inner animal, stay calm, be strong, and concentrate on your goals so that you can act accordingly and get success. So friends, thank you very much, and if you are liking our videos, please subscribe the channel, please hit the bell icon, and if you have any specific questions that you want me to answer, you can please put your question into the comment box so that I can take your question, and maybe in a new video I can answer your questions reading the tarot cards. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye. See you next month. Bye bye.